Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So today's video is about a PR package that I got from Born Pretty. Yes, Born Pretty has sent me a PR package and I will be sharing and reviewing all the products that I got in this package. So watch the video till the end. I have already opened this package, so let me show you all the products that I got in this. The packaging is pretty standard, like all the Born Pretty mails that we get. So here is a gel nail polish, shade 29. This is gel polish soak off. I think it's from their True Beauty collection. Ooh, this is so beautiful. It has a matte finish, slightly velvety. It looks really amazing. The shade is mentioned here and you can see the shade over here as well. Please excuse my tiny nails, I have cut them off. So I'll swatch them all at the end. Another one, okay, we have a cat's eye tool magnet. Then we have a brush and a dotting tool kind of tool. Okay, so this is reflective glitter spider gel in shade Ice Whirls. I have heard so much about their reflective polishes and gels, spider gels. I am so excited to try it. I think this brush and dotting tool is for this spider gel. What's more here? What's this? Okay, this is super top coat, sorry. This is one of the new product that has been recently launched. इस टॉप कोट के बारे में बहुत कुछ अच्छी अच्छी बातें मैंने सुनी हैं. That ये scratch resistant है and it lasts for like ever. I will try it and tell you how it performs. What's this? This is a gel polish in shade straw yellow. What's next? Okay, that's it. It's empty. Okay, this is also a color coat. Yeah, this is reflective glitter magnetic gel in shade Forgetting Fountains. This is also reflective gel. I really want to try it, and it is also magnetic. So this tool, this magnetic cat eyes tool, is for this polish. Okay, these are all the products that we got from Born Pretty. I'm so excited to try them all. I will swatch them in this video and will share their individual reviews and swatches later on as well. So do watch other videos of Born Pretty. I have received 2 PR packages from them this time and I'm excited to share all of them with you. This is my first ever PR collaboration with Born Pretty and I really I want to be part of others in future. So these are all the products that I got. So let's swatch them all individually. So here are my swatch sticks. हम इन swatch sticks पे ही अपने सारे products review करेंगे. I will show you how they look. ओके, एंड आई विल क्रिएट सम नेल आर्ट लुक्स विद देम लेटर ऑन, वह मैं आपके साथ बाद में शेयर करूँगी. ओके, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इफ़ यू हैव नॉट येट सब्सक्राइब. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द ट्रू ब्यूटी collection gel polish soak off. This is a beautiful nail polish. I mean, I'm a fan of the packaging, not because it's a PR package, but yes, it's super classy, and you know, there is this nice matte finish. Can you see? It's lovely matte finish, and I love this idea, you know, mentioning the shade color on the top so that you know what you are using, or if the nail polish has been like stacked properly, then you can just see from the top and you know which color you want. So let's start swatching. By the way, these are all gel nail polishes, so I will suggest that you guys get one UV lamp or an LED lamp. Can you see in just one single coat how beautiful, and this color looks beautiful, you know. See, can you? Yeah, and the brush simply glides on the nails. On this nail, I'm pretty sure it will glide perfectly on the nails as well, and the color is just wow. This is something I love about gel nail polishes, you know. Before you cure it, it just settles on the nail, and there are no creases, there are no lines. The color is also very cute, very Barbie doll like. See, so all you have to do is apply a very thin coat and then cure it, and then apply another coat if you feel like doing it. So this is all done. Let me show you the next one. So the next one is this gel color in shade straw yellow. This is the shade number, by the way. If you guys are looking for it, then you can search for this shade number on the product page. I will mention all the product links as well in the description, so if you are, you know, if you like this color, if you want it, you can easily get it. Okay, so let's swatch it. See, this is so beautiful. It is sort of a mustard yellow color. Yeah. This one as well is gliding effortlessly. So in a little polish you can easily cover your nail beautifully. Can you see? And this color is looking so beautiful now. It's a lovely yellow shade, not too bold, not too light, just perfect. It's a nice mustard kind of yellow shade and looks beautiful. I also love how gel nail polishes have this certain shine on them now. It looks amazing. See, both the nail polishes are complementing each other. If you guys, I don't know, want to create some unique design with contrast shade, आप इसे भी इस color combination को use कर सकते हैं. I will try to make some color designs using these two color combinations, so wait and watch. So the next one is, yes, the magnetic reflective glitter magnetic gel in the shade Forgetting Fountains. This is the product number. so beautiful. Let me turn on my flash to show you the actual shade. Ooh, look how it glitters, man. Let me turn off the lights and show you. Okay, so it's only in flash की light में, and look how beautiful it looks looking. All the glitter particles have this holographic effect in them. They have this rainbow kind of shade. Multiple colors are there. It's beautiful. And I noticed that the bottle is also kind of reflective, even this one, this top coat one. These bottles are also have this pearly beautiful finish. I want nail polish like this. If you guys know which brand has the nail polish, do tell me in the comment. And if Born Pretty has a polish like this, then also tell me in the comments. So for this one, I will swatch it in my flash mode so that you know the shade, how it looks. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. अगर आप मेरी वीडियोस रेगुलरली देखते हैं then you know how much I love glitter nail polishes, and this is so heavenly. Oh my god, this one looks like this in normal light. If I turn off my flash, this looks like this in normal light, and has a glittery reflective finish like this. So let's use the magnet. You have to hold the magnet over the polish for about 3 to 5 seconds and design will come up. It will come with practice, but it's a beautiful nail polish. And there are two types of magnet. One is for cat's eye and another one is for creating slight effects like little circular S designs on the corners, which you can create with a little practice. It's not that difficult. Can you see the movement of the shade? Yeah, can you see this? How the color is moving. These are the magnetic particles in the polish that are working. Yeah, see, can you see how I created this effect? Can you see this middle line? This is so beautiful. See how the glitter particles are swirling around. You can create a middle line, or you can create side lines, however you like to do it. Just take some time to adjust in a single line, and you can at least 3 to 5 seconds you have to work in collecting all the particles in at one place. So give it some time and then it look beautiful. See, I can play with this all day. This is so beautiful. Can you see this line B? It's really beautiful. So these two are done. Let's begin with the spider gel. This is also reflective spider gel. Let's open it. So this is the reflective polish. बहुत अच्छे से सील की गई है. You guys have seen my previous spider gel review. If not, then do watch it. Okay, let me open it. This is the one. Let me show you in flash. Oh, look at how it's, it's looking so magical. All these, reflective polishes are simply gorgeous. It's beautiful. I will not open it completely because it helps in preserving the spider gel, for me at least. I know a lot of people open it, so let's open this one. This is the tool that they gave me along with the spider gel. This is the brush end and this is the dotting tool end. You can use it for creating designs. This is so beautiful. इसमें rhinestones and it's looking so pretty. Okay, so let me grab my swatch stick for you guys. So this is my swatch stick and here's our spider gel. And let's start. See कितना stretchy है ये, and it's like, so elastic. Kind of reminds me of that Spider-Man movie in which there was a black Spider-Man, he has this kind of thing around him, and I think it's inspired from them. So let me create some designs with it and show you it on this watch stick. I love how you can just play around with the spider gel and it still creates a beautiful design. You can make as many thick lines, as many thin lines around your nail, और एक बार उसको clean up करके then you can easily cure it as well, So I'm just wrapping this nail in the spider gel. See how pretty this is looking. Imagine this on a nail polish and you are walking in the street at night. Oh my god, it's going to make everyone envy your nails. It's easy to clean up. You can just swipe it off जो भी इधर उधर लगा हुआ है आपके finger पे, and then cure this part because it's a gel, so you have to cure it. Otherwise it will stay sticky all throughout the time. For the next product, it's the top coat. I will use this top coat on my nails after I create some nice design, but this is actually looking so glossy and very thin. It's not very thick. Consistency is not very thick. It's quite thin, and I think it will be easy for one to apply it on their nails.